Hi friends, I'm Dilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the app sound on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So hi friends, in this video, I'm just going to show how to turn off the app sound on your Pinterest account. First, you have click on the save option. So actually, I'm just using the business account, so it's look like this. If you're using a normal account, you click on the profile on the top and just click on the go to the setting option first. After going inside the setting option, you have to click on the option called account management. After clicking on the account management, you have the option called app sound. So just tap on it. So now the app sound has been turned off. This is the way that you can just easily turn off your Pinterest app sound on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Dilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.